Hello everyone, this is Quick Helper. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to share your location on Facebook Messenger. To begin, open the Facebook Messenger app on your iPhone or Android phone and navigate to the chat where you want to share your location. Once you're in the chat, tap on the plus symbol located in the bottom left corner. Then tap on the arrow icon in the middle. If you see a prompt asking you to turn on location, select Turn On. You may need to grant Messenger access to your location. After granting access, tap on Start Sharing Live Location. This will share your current location with the recipient in the Messenger chat. That's it. You've successfully shared your location on Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.